Well, good day everyone. Pretty overcast sort of day today, but Brody and myself just thought we'd come down to our favourite little creek here and just check it out, and then we'll go down to the park and just see how the council's going with their redevelopment. How are you, Brody?
Good.
Yeah, everything all right?
Yep.
What you got there, mate?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Yeah, beauty, eh? All right, well, let's go down and see how dirty the creek is. We'll just nip down here, eh? And see how we go. So, well, we thought there might have been a lot of water down here, but there's a little bit of dampness down the other end, but oh well, we'll see how we go. We'll just climb down these rocks here. Getting old. It's a bit hard for me. Okay, here we go. Let's start off. What's our favourite thing we start off with? McDonald's. Here we go. Look at that. Righto. Let's get into it, eh, young fella? You were saying you played football yesterday. How'd you go? All right? Have a good game?
Yeah, but we lost.
You lost, did you?
Yeah.
What was the score then?
14 to 9. 39.
14 to 39, so you really did lose, didn't you? All right then, let's get into this creek cleanup. I hope everyone's trying to stay safe at the moment. It's been very difficult in a lot of parts of Australia. I was talking to my sister today. She lives over in Victoria, and they're in a real bad way at the moment at the current time. She's locked in. She's not allowed to leave her suburb, so it's pretty bad in some parts here of Australia. What have we got here? What's that? What's that I got there, Brody? Some sort of card, was it? Nestles, we value your feedback, FPOS. Look at that. There we go. No one's details on it. Okay, here it goes. Yeah, so poor old people in Victoria there, they're having a bad time, and it appears that it's happening in a lot of other places of Australia. Hello, what have you got there?
Part of a hose.
Oh, a garden hose. Oh well. Yeah, so all our thoughts go out to all the other Australians and everyone around the world. It's a really, really difficult time. But I'm sure, well, I'm hoping, all our collective governments know what they're doing, and our health officials are staying right on top of it. Hello, Brody's found a real treasure here. Don't be touching that with that. Oh, you got gloves on? Okay, you grabbers there. Can everybody see what that is? Nice pair of goober underpants. Oh well. It just, honestly, sometimes I'm just amazed at what Brody and myself are able to pick up here in the creeks. It just astounds me. How did someone's underpants get down here?
Oh my god.
Hello, he's found something else. Righto, we'll just keep some shorts, it appears. Oh well, maybe we'll get a whole outfit. Yeah, it is a little bit damp down here, a little bit muddy. Righto, I'll just grab this up here. Oh, that's full of water. And we'll go up there and we'll just see what Brody's found. What have you got there, mate? Some pants. Hang on, I'll just come over, mate. Here we go, let's have a look at this.
Some pants. Jeans.
Oh, jeans.
And some...
Oh, jeans and a pair of socks. Oh, wow. Man. Like I say, you just don't know, do you? You know, you just don't know what you're going to find in this creek. Well, lots of cardboard, paper, pair of socks. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Find the whole wardrobe here. Okay. Righto, I might turn the camera off for a minute and we'll make our way up the creek here. If we find something interesting, we'll certainly let you know. Well, we did find something else. Look, it's a hubcap of a Suzuki. If you can see right there, I do believe that could be a red. Do you think? Do you think that's a? I don't know. Black widow or redback? Can't really see. I don't know if he's alive even. Oh, he's alive. We'll just scoot him off. Show him off. Oh, he doesn't want to go. Oh, come on, fella. Off you go. Yeah, there he goes. Running away. All right. Let's get back into it, eh? Yeah, hubcap. Oh, yeah, unbelievable. Alrighty, I'll turn it off. Find anything else interesting, we'll let you know. Well, we made it down to the overpass here with the tunnels. And Brody said he's found the best find yet.
A brick.
A house brick. Alright, there's quite a few things stuck in here around the rocks. We'll just tidy this up. Our big bag is getting awfully full here, you know, of rubbish. But anyway, we'll do a roundup at the end. Speak to you soon. Oh well, we've hit a snag. Our litter grabbers here, well, one pair of them anyway, they're not working. Oh well, another one bites the dust. Just shows you, I mean, we do go through a lot of these, and it's very hard to, one, keep paying for them all, but we did have some donated to us from a local politician. I really appreciate all the assistance he's given us, but as you can see, look, you know, they've had it, these, oh well, have to get a new pair. It's a very clean up here, Brody. Oh, it's a long walk. Long walk up that drain, isn't it, eh, mate? Yeah. Yeah, don't be going, oh, you're just going in a little ways?
Yeah.
Brody's just going in there just to see what's on the ground there.
Heaps of stuff in there.
Is there heaps of stuff?
Yeah, just grabbing some.
Yeah, well, come on then. We'll go back to the car, we'll get another pair of litter grabbers.
Yeah.
Alrighty, stay tuned, folks. Alright, Brody's just going to go through a bit of this. He's trying to find a fish and a rock. Alright, once he finds it, we'll give you a look. Right, here's the little special. Here's what he found in the creek, a fish.
My favourite colour as well, green.
Brody's favourite colour. It's pity it's not a real one. Anyway, you saved him.
Yep.
Good job, mate.
Yep.
Alright, let's keep going.
Yep.
Well, we're about 500 metres further down the creek now from where we were before. We've had to abandon picking up litter at the minute, but we just thought we'd take a little bit of a walk down the creek and go down and check out all the new recreational equipment, barbecues and so forth. We haven't been down here for a few weeks, so we'll just take a cut up through here. Can we? Can you get up there? Rightio, let's get up here.
Oh, and by the way, I found this. Don't know what it is.
No, it's plastic anyway. We don't want that in our waterways, do we? Oh, just have a look around. Yeah, it's really coming on, isn't it, down here? I think with all the little bits of work that we do, picking up all the rubbish, it's really made a difference, and what we might try and do next time, Brody, is we might attack it differently. Instead of concentrating on all the rubbish this time, we might come down and help them remove some of the weeds. There seems to be a lot of weed species that are popping up in the creek, but what I'll do, I'll contact our local council and just double check with them. I don't want to step on anyone's toes, but I did notice before up where we were collecting the litter, there was quite a bit of weed. Anyway, let's go over and have a look at this recreational area. You said yeah, and look where you are, you're down the creek again. Hello. Emergency services out again. Sounds like an ambulance to me. Oh yeah. Actually, you want to just grab those, mate? There's one there and one there. And they're really fresh too. It's like someone's just had a picnic and just thought, oh, I'll just drop them here. All right, let's... Yeah, I know, there's a bin just there. What is it? You know, 20 metres away. Look at that, look how keen this guy is. Where? Ran all the way over there. Yeah, KFC. All right, let's stick our nose through the fence here. Just have a bit of a look again. And this is all the new area. Boy howdy, look at all those trees. Wow, they're planting there. Trampolines? Oh, I didn't see them. Oh, where? Oh, here. Oh, cool. Oh, I tell you what, everyone's going to have a lot of fun on those. Oh no, unbelievable. Come and have a look at this. Will you look at that? Have a look at those. They've put in 1, 2, 3 trampolines, and it's all got that soft fall here. Boy howdy, I can see some kids having fun down here. Alright, let's keep walking around. That was well picked up there, Brody. I didn't even notice that that's what it was. There's some strange looking sculptures over here. I don't know.
What, right there?
Yeah, they probably won a prize for that.
That's just stuff to climb on.
Oh, is it? Oh, my mistake. Oh, we got a flying fox too. Hang on, what I'll do, I'll just zip up here so everyone can have a bit of a look. There's flying fox. Wow. Well, this looks like it's going to be a bit of fun here. Yeah. So well done to the men and women who've been employed here to...
There's like a weird circle thing there. It looks like a little running around.
Oh, running around thing like you do in a rat house where the rats go around on those wheels. Yeah, but anyway, well done to... Yeah, it isn't finished yet.
Yeah.
Like I say, well done to the people who've been involved here. It looks like it's coming along a real treat. Really going to be excited to see this opened up. All right, we'll move around to the lake. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. I just don't know what's going on quite here.
Yeah, someone's living in there.
Is there?
There's all rappers.
Oh, right. We've got a tent down here. Must be someone living here, some poor homeless person. Yeah, I haven't really seen it down here. Wow. Well, all the best to them. I hope they don't get disturbed down here. There's yeah, it's unfortunate we have homeless people, and you know, here we are in the middle of Elizabeth, and we've got people that are camping in the park. There's no one here, there's no one in the tent, but there is stuff in it. Brody's had a look, so I didn't bring any money with me either. I could have put some money in the tent for the person. Hello, Brody's found something. I don't know what it is. What is that? What's that? Oh yeah, that's a soap dispenser. Yeah, just leave it here. Just put it behind the fence here, Brody. And that way the local council can take care of that.
Yeah, and then I found
Yeah, a little bit of Lego or something. All right, let's go and have a look at the ducks. And I'm sure everyone likes to see the ducks, don't they? Yeah. This aerator's really made a difference, hasn't it? You know. Just check out the water. Yeah, really nice and clean. It is an overcast day, you probably can't see the bottom very well. Still an awful lot of ducks. Anyway, we'll leave it for now. Thanks everyone, and we'll catch you next time. Hey?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, Brody.